Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are all doing good. So, in the previous class we have learnt about expanded form, place value, is it children? So, in this class we are going to learn about the importance of commas or periods, okay. Okay, importance of commas or periods. Okay children, so already we have learnt about the place value chart, right? So, how will you draw the place value chart? So, first of all, okay. So, first of all, you will write ones, okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, okay, and then crore, right? So, crore. Okay, children, so these are all the place values we have learned, right? But we are having another thing called period, okay. So up to this one, okay, up to ones, tens, hundreds are there in ones period, okay, and thousands and 10,000s are there in thousands period, okay, thousands, and lakhs and 10 lakhs are in lakhs period, and crore is in crore and 10 crore, okay, crore and 10 crore are in crores period. Okay children, so what are all the periods are here? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. Okay children, so already we have learnt these place values, right? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crores. Okay, we have learnt all these place values, right? So we can divide this place values by using the periods, okay. So these ones, tens and hundreds are in ones period, okay. Thousands and 10,000s are in thousands period, lakhs and 10 lakhs are in lakhs period, crore and 10 crore are in crores period. Okay children, can you all understand? So what are all the periods we are learning? Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay, so what are all the periods? Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay, according to this periods we can divide, okay, we can read the numbers very easily. Is it children? Simply if a number, okay, if you are having 86, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, okay, if you are having a number as like this, means so how will you see the number name for this? 86 lakhs, okay, 86 lakhs, 54,321. Is it children? So you will read by using the periods only. Okay, so 86 lakhs, 54,321. Okay children. So for saying the number name, we need the periods. Okay. So by the use of this periods and commas, we can read a very big number. Okay, romba periya number kuda we can read by using this periods and comma. Okay children. So simply if you are having a digit like this, so without this place value chart, how will you read? It's hard for you, right? So that we are using this comma, okay. So we are first of all we are learning about the Indian system, okay, Indian number system. So we can call this place value as Indian place value system. Okay children, Indian place value systems. Okay children, so what are all the periods in Indian place value system? Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay, so what are all the periods? Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay, so what are all the place values in Indian place value system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crore. Okay children, so we are going to use the comma, okay, by using the Indian place value system. Okay, so we can insert the comma, okay, we can insert the comma from the right side, okay, from the right side of the digits, okay. See, 1, 2, 3, okay, we need to count 3 digits from the right side and you can put comma. Okay, 3 digits and then put comma. And after that we need to count 2 digits, 1, 2 and put comma. Okay, and then we are having only 2, so that we can leave. Okay, so how many? So how will you read? Okay, it is of one period, and it is another period, and it is another period. Okay, see here we are having 3, right? 1, 2, 3. That is ones, tens, and hundreds. See, ones, tens, and hundreds are there in ones place, ones period. Okay, so and then thousands and 10,000, thousands and 10,000s are in thousands period. Okay, and lakhs and 10 lakhs in lakhs period. So that we are just using the comma to separate that. Okay, without the place value chart, we can just simply we can put the comma and we can read the number. Now we can read, right? So it is 86 lakhs 54,321. Very easy, right? So how will you put the comma? First of all, simply if you are having a number 96542162. Okay, so if you are having the digits like this, so how will you insert the comma? First of all, we need to start counting from the right to left. Okay, from the right we need to count 3. 1, 2, 3. Now put comma. Okay, again count 2. 1, 2. Now put comma. Okay, again count 2. 1, 2. Now put comma. So now we can read very easily, right? So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crore. So 9 crore 65 lakhs 42,162. Okay, children. So 9 crore 65 lakhs 42,162. Okay, children. Very easy, right? So inserting comma is very easy. Okay. So we are learning about the Indian place value system. Okay. In Indian place value system, what are all the periods we are learning? Ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Okay. These are all the periods. Okay. So what are all the place values under this Indian place value system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, and 10 crore. Okay, children. So what are all the place values are under the period ones? Under the period ones, we are having ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, children. So it is the period. Okay. So under this period ones, we are having ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, 3 digits. Okay. So under the period thousand, how many? What are all the place values we are having? Thousands and 10,000. So under the period lakh, what are all the place values we are having? Lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay. Under the period crore, what are all the place values we are having? Crore and 10 crore. Okay, children. So how will you insert the comma? So if you are having, okay, 6. So how will you insert the comma for this? First of all, we need to start counting from the right to left, right? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, count 3 and insert comma. And then count 2. 1, 2 and then insert comma. And then again count 2 and insert comma. Okay, and then count 2. So we are already having only 2 digits. So how will you say the number name for this? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. So 10 crore 54,216. Okay, children. So 10 crore 54,000. Lakhs place we are having zeros, right? So 10 crore 54,216. Very easy. The children. So these are all the importance. Okay. So what is the importance of this comma? Simply we can read a big, okay, greatest number very easily. Okay. That is the purpose of using this comma. Okay, children. So let us see exercise 2.3. Okay, children, take your classwork notebook. Take your classwork notebook and put today's date. Okay. Okay, children, put today's date and write exercise 2.3 first question. Okay. So let us read the first question. Read the following numbers by placing the commas at appropriate periods and write the number name. Okay, children. So first of all, we need to read the numbers by placing the commas. First of all, we are going to place the commas, and after that we are going to read the number, and then we are going to write the number name. Okay, children. So let us write this number. Okay, we are having 157319997, right? So let us write the same number again. 157319997. Okay, children. So how will you place the comma? First of all, you need to count from the right to left, right? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, count 3 and insert comma. And again count 3. Count 2, right? 1, 2. Now insert comma. Okay, and again count 2. 1, 2. Now insert comma. Okay, children. Now, how will you read this number? First, say the place value. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores. So 1 crore, 57 lakhs, 31,997. Okay, children. So let us write the number name. Okay, so number name. How will you write? First of all, 1 crore. Okay, so O-N-E-1 C-R-O-R-E, 1 crore. So totally crores period is over. And then lakhs period, 57 lakhs. Okay, F-I-F-T-Y, 57 lakhs, L-A-K-H-S. Okay, children, 57 lakhs. Okay, and then thousands period, 31 thousands. Okay, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 31 thousands. Okay, write thousands. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-S. Okay, 31 thousands. And then ones period, 997. Okay, 997. Okay, children. 1 crore, 57 lakhs, 31,997. Okay, children, very easy, right? Simply, first of all, we are writing the same number and then we are just placing the commas. Okay, first of all, we need to start counting from the right to left. Okay, from the right, we are just counting 3, 1, 2, 3 and then insert comma. And then again count 2 and insert comma and again count 2, insert comma. And remaining, we are having only one digit. So now we are just saying the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crore. So 1 crore, 57 lakhs, 31,997. Okay, children, very easy. Okay, so let us do the second one. So copy this in your classwork notebook. Okay, children, write neatly. Okay, pause the video and write. Okay, so let us write the B question. Okay, children, let us see the B question. Okay, so the digits we are having is 341967. 64. Okay, so how will you place this comma and write the number name? First of all, we need to write the same number again. Okay, so 341964. Okay, children, 341964. Okay, children. Now we are going to place the comma. We are going to count from the right to left. Okay, so from the right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, count 3 and insert comma. And again count 2, 1, 2 and insert comma. So now we can read the place, read the number, right? So first of all, say the place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Okay, so 3 lakhs. 41,964. Okay, 3 lakhs 41,964. Okay, children, let us write the number name. Three lakhs. Okay, T-H-R-E-E, 3 lakhs, L-A-K-H-S, lakhs, 3 lakhs 41. Okay, so lakhs period is over. And then thousands period. So 41,000, F-O-R-T-Y, 41,000, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-S, 41,964. Okay, ones period. 964. Okay, children, 3 lakhs 41,964. Okay, children, very easy, right? Okay, copy this in your classwork notebook. Pause the video and copy. Okay. Okay, children. Okay, write the D question. This is your homework. Okay. So we are going to place the comma first. Okay. For that, write the same digits again. So 3, 4, 7, 8, 1, 0. Okay, children. So we are going to place the comma. So how will you place the comma? We need to start count from the right to left. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Now we can insert comma. And again count 2, 1, 2, now insert comma. So, let us say the place value. Okay, so ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Okay, so 3,47,810. Okay, children. So, it is lakhs period, thousands period and ones period. So, let us write the place number name. Okay. So, the number name 3 lakhs, right? So, THRW, 3 lakhs, LAKHS. Okay, lakhs period is over. And then 47,000, okay, thousands period, FORTY, 47,000, THOUSANDS, okay, 47,000. And then ones period, 800 and 10. Okay, children. So 3,47,810. Okay, children. So copy it in your classwork notebook. After completing this, write the second question in your classwork notebook. Okay. Okay, children. Let us see the second question. Okay, write this question in your classwork notebook. Write the place value of 5 in the following numbers. Okay, children. So this first question. So 287500. Okay, children. First of all, we are going to insert the commas. Okay, we are going to place the commas. Okay, children. So let us write the same digits again. So 287500. Okay, children. So for inserting the comma, we need to start counting from the right to left. Okay, from the right to left. Okay. So from the right, you need to count 3. 1, 2, 3. Now insert comma. Okay, and again count 2. 1, 2. Now insert comma. So 2,87,500. Okay, 2,87,500. Okay, children. So let us find the place value of 5. Okay, so the place value of 5 equal to. So how will you write find the place value? In the previous class itself we have learned, right? So we need to put the same 5 into 1. Okay. Now hide the number 5. Okay. Hide the digits up to 5. So now how many digits we are having? 1, 2. 2 digits we are having, right? So that we need to put 2 zeros. 1, 2. Totally it is 5 into 100. So what will you write? 500. Okay, children. 500 we can also write by words. So 500, HUNDREDS. Okay, children. Okay, let us see the next one. So first of all, we need to write the same digits. Okay, so 5,8,6,0,1,2. Okay, so this is the given digit, right? So we need to place the comma first. Okay, for placing the comma, we need to start counting from the right to left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, count 3 digits from the right to left and insert comma. And again count 2. 1, 2. Now insert comma. So now it is 5,86,012. Okay, 5,86,012. Okay, children. So let us find the place value of this 5. The place value of 5 equal to. So how will you find the place value? 5 into 1. Okay, so just write 5 into 1. Now hide the digit up to 5. Okay, now we are having 5 in the first digit, right? So now count the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 zeros. Put 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, children. So see the place value: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. So 5 into 1 lakh, 5 lakhs. Okay, 5 into 1 lakh, 5 lakhs. Okay, children, 5 lakhs. And also we can insert comma. Okay, so 5 lakhs, let us write by words. So 5 lakhs, LAKHS. Okay, children. So copy this in your classwork notebook. Okay, children, copy this in your classwork notebook. Okay, pause the video and copy. Okay, and the remaining 2 sums are your homework. Okay, after completing this, write the third question from exercise 2.3. Very easy sums, right? Simply you are just writing the same numbers again. Okay, same numbers again, and you are just placing the commas and you are just finding the place value. Okay, children. Children, write the third question. Write the following numbers in standard notation. Okay, we are going to write this numbers in standard notation. It is an expanded form, right? So we are going to write this in standard notation. So how will you write this in standard notation? Okay, simply the reverse order of expanded form. Okay, children. So what will you do first? First of all, put the same digit 3 into 1. Okay, 3 into 1. Now hide 3 and count the digits. Here we are having 4 digits, right? So 4 zeros. Okay, so 3 into 10,000 plus put 3 into 1. Okay, now hide 3 and count the zeros. We are having 3 zeros, right? So put 3 zeros. Okay, so 3 into 1000. Okay, children, put plus and then put 3 into 1. Now hide this 3. How many digits we are having? 2 digits, right? So 2 zeros. Okay, 3 into 100. Okay, and then we are having 3 into only 1 0, right? Only 1 0. So 3 into 10 and then write the last digit 3 into 1 and hide this 3 and how many digits we are having? No digits, right? So that you can put only 1. Okay, children, can you all understood? So how will you write in a standard notation? Simply we can add, okay, we can add all the digits by writing in the proper place values. Okay, so first of all we are having 30,000, right? So write 30,000, 30,000. Okay, so and then 3,000 is here. So write 3,000. Okay, so how many digits? 0 0 0. Okay, first of all 0 0 0 and then we are having only 1 3. So now put 3 here. Okay, and then we are having 300, 0 0 and 3. Okay, 0 0 and then 3. Okay, so 300 and then we are having 30. So 0 and 3. Okay, 0 3 30. Okay, children, and at the last we are having 3. Now add all the digits. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3. So we are having 3. Okay, here see the next one, tens place. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3. So what will you get? 3. Okay, children, and again 0 plus 0 plus 3. So what will you get? 3. 0 plus 3, 3. Okay, and 3. So 33,333. Okay, children, so the answer we are getting is 33,333. Okay, children, so it is the standard notation. Okay, children, copy this in your classwork notebook. So pause the video and write. Okay, after completing this, write the next question. Okay, children, let us see the second one, B question. See, we are having the number as like this. Okay, so let us solve this one. So let us write the next step. So how will you write? 2 into 1 and count the zeros. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 zeros. So say the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. So 2 into lakhs, that is 2 lakhs. Okay, 2 into lakhs, 2 lakhs. Okay, children, and then let us write the next digit. So plus 7 into 1. So how many digits we are having after 7? 3, right? 1 2 3. So put 3 zeros. 1 2 3. Okay, children, 7 into 1,000, 7,000. Okay, children, and then at the last we are having 7 into 1. Okay, so after 7 we are having no digits, right? So that we can put 7 into 1. That's it. Okay, we can also write the answer directly. Okay, so how will you write? It will be little bit confusing, right? So we can add. Okay, we are having plus symbol so that we can add in the side. Okay, so we are having 2 lakhs, right? So 2 and then 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, children, 2 lakhs, right? So 2 and then 5 zeros, 2 lakhs. And then 7,000. Okay, so we are having 3 zeros. So from 1s, 10s, 100s are 3 zeros. So 0, 0, 0. And then we are having 7. Okay, so 7,000. Okay, children, at the last we are having 7. Okay, put plus. Now 0 plus 0 plus 7, we will get 7. Okay, and then 0 plus 0, 0. And again 0 plus 0, we will get again 0. 0 plus 7, 7. 0, we can put 0, and at the last we are having 2. So 2 lakhs 70,007. Okay, so 2 lakhs 70,007. Sorry, wait. 1s, 10s, 100s. So just put comma. Okay, 1, 2, 3. From the right, we need to count 3 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now insert comma and then count 2 digits. 1, 2. Now insert comma. So 2 lakhs 7,007. Okay, children, 2 lakhs 7,007. Okay, children, let us write the answer. So that is 2 lakhs 7,007. Okay, children, copy this in your classwork notebook. After completing this, write the D question. Okay, D. C is your homework. Okay, pause the video and write. Okay, children, see the last question, D question. Okay, so we are having, so it's 1s, 10s, 100s, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So 40 lakhs plus 400 plus 4. Okay, 40 lakhs plus 400 plus 4. Okay, let us write the next step. So how will you write? We need to put 4 into 1. Okay, so how many zeros we are having? So just hide 4, and how many zeros we are having? 6 zeros, right? So just put 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 zeros. Okay, children. So 4 into 10 lakhs. Okay, 4 into 10 lakhs. 1s, 10s, 100s, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, children, 4 into 10 lakhs. Okay, and then put plus 4 into 1. Okay, now hide this 4. How many zeros we are having? 2 zeros, right? So that 2 zeros. We need to put 4 into 100, that is 400. Okay, children, at the last we are having 4 into 1. Okay, after 4 we are not having any digits, right? So that we can put 4 into 1. Okay, children, so how will you write the answer? If you know to write the answer directly, means you can write, or else we can add and write. Okay, we are having plus symbol, right? So then let us add and write. So we are having 4 lakhs, right? So 40 lakhs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 zeros. 4. After that we are having 6 zeros. Okay, children, plus 400. Okay, 400. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, from 0, 0 and then 4. So it is 400. Okay, children, and we are having 4 in 1's place. So write in the 1's place. Now we can add. Now add 0 plus 0 plus 4 will get 4. Okay, 0 plus 0 will get 0. 0 plus 4, 4. Again 0 and then 0 and then 0 and then at the last we are having 4. Okay, 40 lakhs 404. Okay, children, the answer we are getting is 40 lakhs 404. Okay, children, copy this in your classwork notebook. Very easy, right? Simply we are just writing the next step. Okay, how many zeros? Okay, 4 into something. We are having 40 lakhs. Okay, we are just splitting it. 40 into 10 lakhs. Okay, and then 4 into 100 and then 4 into 1. Okay, children, and then we are just adding and we got the answer as 40 lakhs 404. Okay, children, very easy. So copy this in your notebook. Pause the video and write. After completing this, write the fourth question. Okay, children, let us see the fourth one. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Okay, children. So in the previous sum, we have learnt about the standard notation, right? Expanded form la irundada, we just transformed to the standard notation. But they in this sum, they had given the standard notation. We are going to expand it. Okay, children. So for doing expanded form, so first of all, what we need to do? So let us do it directly. Okay. So how will you write? First of all, let us write the digits 6. Okay, 6. So just hide 6. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 digits are there. So put 4 zeros. Okay, put 4 zeros. And then put plus. And then the next digit is 3, right? So 3. Now just hide up to 3. Now how many digits we are having? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. Okay. So that we need to put 3 zeros. Okay, children. So 3000. So it is 60,000 plus 3,000 plus, and then we are having 5, right? So put 5. Now hide up to 5. So how many digits we are having? 2 digits, right? So that put 2 zeros. So 500. Okay, children, 500. And then we are having 7. So put 7. So now hide up to 7. How many digits we are having? Only 1 digit. That put only 1 zero. Okay. And at the last we are having only 1 zero. Okay. So simply put only 1 zero. Okay, children. And what is the next step we need to do? We are going to expand it, right? So how will you expand this one? So just write 6 into 1. Now hide the 6. How many digits we are having? 4 zeros, right? So put 4 zeros. Okay, and then 3000 we are having. So 3 into 1000. So put 3 into 1000. Okay, children, and put plus 5 into how many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay, 5 into 100. Okay, 5 into 100, that is 500. Okay, at the last we are having 7 into only 1 zero. So 7 into 10, 70 plus 0 into 1. Okay, children. So at the last, what will you do? That's it. We got the expanded form, right? We got the expanded form. Okay, that's all. Very easy, right? Simply we had expanded. We just had hide the 6 and just calculated the zeros. So we are having 4 zeros. So that's 60,000. It is 60,000 plus 3,000. Okay. And after that we are having only 3 digits. So that 3,000. 60,000 plus 3,000 plus 500. Okay. Hide up to 5. 2 digits we are having. So that 500. 2 zeros. 500. And then 70. And at the last we are having only 0. Okay. So that we got expanded this. Okay. Very easy. Right. So copy this in your classwork notebook. If you need this to write in the words, means also you can write 60,000, right? 60. 6 10,000s. Okay, 6 10,000s. So children, it is ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, right? So 6 10,000s and then plus 3,000s, 3,000s. And then 500s, 500s. And then 7 tens, 7 tens. And then 0 ones. Okay, 0 ones. Okay, children. So we can write 3 steps. First of all, we are just expanding it by the place value. And then for all the place values, we are just inserting the zeros. And we are just expanding it again. Okay, that's it. This is the answer. Okay, copy this in your classwork notebook. Let us do the second one, B question. Pause the video and write, children. Okay, children, see the next question, B. So we are having, so let us say the place value. Okay, so it is ones, tens. Okay, let us write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, so 36 lakhs 1,478. Okay, 36 lakhs 1478. Okay, children. So let us write the expanded form. First, how will you write? 3 10,000, right? So 3 10,000s. Put plus and then 3 10 lakhs. Okay, 3 10 lakhs, right? So 10 lakhs. If you need, you can also draw the place value chart. Okay, children. So 3 10 lakhs, 3 10 lakhs, and then 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs, L-A-K-H-S, 6 lakhs, and then 0 10,000s. Okay, 0 10,000s. Then put plus 1,000s. Okay, 1,000s. ठीक है, O-U-S-A-N-D-S. Okay, 1,000s, and then 400s. Okay, 400s. Put plus and then 7 tens. Okay, 7 tens. 8 ones. Okay, 8 ones. Okay, children, and then what we need to do? We need to write the 10 lakhs in numbers. Okay, so 3. Now hide this 3 and count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 digits. Okay, so 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 30 lakhs. Okay, children, we got 30 lakhs. Okay, and then we are having 6 lakhs, right? So just hide 6. Now count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, totally 5 zeros. Okay, now put 5 zeros. So 6 lakhs. Okay, now we are having 30 lakhs plus 6 lakhs. And then put 0. 0 into 10 lakhs. No value, right? Just leave that. Okay, just leave and put plus. So just put 0. Okay, only simply put 0. And then 1,000s. Now put 1. And now hide up to 1. Now how many digits we are having? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits, right? So put 3 zeros. Okay, 1,000. Okay, and then 400s plus 4. Now hide up to 4. And how many digits we are having? 2 digits, right? 1, 2. So 2 zeros. 400. Okay, and then 7 tens. Put plus 7. Okay, hide up to 7. How many digits we are having? Only 1. So that put only 1 zero. Okay, 70. And then 8 ones, right? So after 8 we are having no digits, right? So that we can put 8. Simply we can put 8. Okay, children. So again we can expand. So 3 into 1, and then how many digits we are having? 6 zeros. So okay, so 3 into 10 lakhs. Okay, 3 into 10 lakhs. Okay, 3 10 lakhs. And then plus 6 lakhs, right? So 6 into 1. So how many zeros? 5 zeros, right? So put 5 zeros. Okay, children. So 6 into 1 lakh. Okay, and then put 0. Simply the 0. And then here we are having 1 into how many zeros? 3 zeros. 3 zeros. Okay, children, and at the last we are having 4 into 2 zeros. So 4 into 100. 4 into 100. And then 7. Put 7 into tens, right? So only 1 zero. So put 10. And at the last we are having, so plus 8 into 1. Okay, 8 ones. Okay, children. So this is the expanded form. Okay, copy this in your classwork notebook. Copy this neatly. Okay. Pause the video and write. Let us see the last question. That is C question. So see this question. We are having. So let us see the place value. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs and crore. Okay, so 1 crore, 45 lakhs, 70,000 and 4. Okay, 1 crore, 45 lakhs, 70,000 and 4. Okay, children. So let us write the place value, expanded form. So first of all, 1 crores, right? So 1 crores, put plus 4 10,000s, okay, 4 10,000s, and then 5 lakhs, okay, 5 lakhs, L-A-K-H-S, 5 lakhs, and then 7 10,000s, okay, 7 10,000s, okay, put plus 0 thousands, so 0 thousands, and again 0 hundreds, okay, 0 hundreds, and again 0 tens, okay, 0 tens, and then put plus 4 ones, okay, 4 ones, okay children. So we can leave the zeros, okay, we can leave the zeros, simply we'll get 1 crore, okay, put 1, now hide this 1 and count the digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 zeros, okay children, put 7 zeros, so it is 1 crore, okay, 1 crore, and put plus 4, okay, so just hide up to 4, how many digits we are having, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 digits, right, so put 6 zeros, so it is 410 lakhs, okay, it was a mistake, okay, 410 lakhs, 410 lakhs, okay children, so 1 crore plus 40 lakhs, okay, 1 crore plus 40 lakhs plus 5, okay, now hide up to 5, how many digits we are having, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 5 zeros, so 5 lakhs, okay, 1 crore plus 40 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus 7 10,000, just put 7, now hide up to 7, now how many digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 4 zeros, put 4 zeros, so it is 70,000, okay, 70,000, and then we are having 0 thousands, 0 hundreds, 0 tens, just leave all these zeros, okay, and at the last we are having 4 ones, okay, 4 ones, so simply put 4, okay, let us expand this again, so how will you expand, 1 into 1, and then how many zeros we are having, 7 zeros, okay, so 1 into 1 crore, okay, 1 into 1, so 1 crore, okay, 1 crores, okay children, and then 4 10 lakhs, okay, 4 into 10 lakhs, okay, 4 10 lakhs, okay children, and then 5 lakhs, right, so 5 into 1 lakh, okay, 5 lakhs, okay children, and then put plus into 7 10,000s, right, so 7 into 10,000, that is 7 10,000, okay, and at the last we are having 4 ones, right, 4 ones, so 4 into 1, okay children, copy this in your classwork notebook, okay, that's all about today's class, very easy, right, okay, let me give you today's homework, okay, pause the video and write. Children, note today's homework, okay, it is from page number 32, that is exercise 2.3. In the first one, C is your homework, second C and D, in third C and fourth D, okay children. So it is in the same model as we did in our classwork note, okay children, okay, do it properly, okay, thank you.